Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. We've got a birthday tomorrow. Our daughter-in-law Carrie, Chris's wife, it's her birthday tomorrow. So we're going to get together. We're going to have some easy, quick foods and celebrate her. But the one thing I wanted to do, or one of the things I want to do, is a dip, and it's called an everything bagel dip. I don't know if you've seen this before. I haven't. So here we go. I've got one 8-ounce package of cream cheese that I set out this morning to let come to room temperature. And I need 1/4 cup of sour cream. I didn't know if I'd have enough in this, so I got the other one out, but I think I'm gonna have plenty. Yeah, squeeze it down like you would a tube of toothpaste, right? Okay, so let's measure out 1/4 cup. Oh yeah, we're gonna have plenty. A little bit here, a little more there. It'll be all right. And that's perfect right there. Now, what we're gonna do, you can use your food processor with this if you want to, but I decided, or your big mixer, I decided to just get out my hand mixer. So I'm gonna beat this mixture, cream cheese and sour cream, until it's smooth. Then we're gonna add some other ingredients to make it everything bagel. How does that sound? And y'all, this was so soft already that it's not taking much to cream this together. And y'all, look at here, just that quick, that sour cream and cream cheese has come together, has creamed. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is, I've got some toasted sesame seeds. Now I'm going to add, I'm gonna check my ingredients here, my recipe. I want 1 spoon at a time, Karen. I want a teaspoon of sesame seeds. I love these things, so I think I'm gonna go just a smidge over. So, and then I want 1/2 teaspoon of poppy seeds. 1/2 teaspoon. Yeah, this is making up the everything bagel seasoning, these ingredients. Then I want 1/2 teaspoon of minced onion. Yeah, minced onion is not something I use very often. Y'all give me a second. I gotta go find Pop and get him to open this for me, okay? I'll be right back. Y'all, I couldn't find Pop. He's outside somewhere working. But I did find a bottle that I already had opened, and it's almost empty, so I should have, if I can get down in there, I should have enough. And I do. 1/2 teaspoon of minced onion. Okay, now garlic powder. About 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder. You can put more if you want to. That's up to you. According to how garlicky you want it. Now, I want, let's do this. Let's give this a whirl first. Just to mix all this stuff in. We're not done with it though. I have a little baby green onion and another one. So we're going to chop this up, and I want it kind of fine. And we're gonna run our knife through it because I don't want big chunks of this. Although I love green onions, scallions, spring onions, whatever you call them. And so let's just mince this up pretty fine. So I know we have the minced onion in here, but this green onion is just gonna give it a little different flavor. And I'm gonna run my knife back through it again, But like I said, I just don't want it too big. Okay, that should be good right there. Just gather them up, plop them right into the bowl. And with our mixer, and then this mixer is on low, y'all, so, and that's why I'm using it. It's just to get it blended in. It goes real good. But if you're using a more powerful mixer, food processor, just kind of, if you're using your food processor, just pulse it. So you don't want to chop up all those good little ingredients that you put in there. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at this. Now we are going to taste this, but then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and we're going to have it for her birthday tomorrow. So let me put this in the sink. Now I've got a platter and I've got a cute little bowl here. And you know, this would be so easy to double if you had a larger crowd. But for my group, I think this is going to be enough because we're going to have other food. But let me tell you something. This would also be wonderful on your football table. You're having a game day party. Make up some of this. Make you a double batch. And put it out on your game day table. And it won't hurt it to sit out for a little bit. There you go. We're going to make it real pretty here on the top. My hands are clean. There we go. So I've got another scallion here. And I'm going to chop it up because I want to use it for garnish. But I want some of the white and the green. I think the green is just so pretty when you're using a green onion. And using the green part of it just, I don't know, it's just real pretty. Okay, so let's sprinkle some of this on here. Can y'all see how that's coming out already? And I'm not going to use it all. Yeah, it never fails. I always have a little end of the green onion that I never get chopped real good. But that's okay. But there's one other thing that I want to put a little bit of, and that's these toasted sesame seeds. I just want a few. And this is going to kind of let people know that there's sesame seeds and poppy seeds in this dip. All right, looky here. Can y'all see what a beautiful bowl of dip that is? But you know what? We've got to try it, right? We've got to try it. Now, what I've done is I've pulled out a variety of some chips. I've got some of the little pretzel. I love these things. They're thin, and but you can use vegetables. Use the these are broken, y'all. But you know what? They'll still dip. You can use vegetables. Dip you a carrot in here or some celery. Wouldn't that be delicious? We're going to use one of these. I'm going to get a piece of that green onion. Here we go. Let's try it. Y'all. That's delicious. I said I'm going to put them back in the bag. Because this is for tomorrow. For her birthday. And I'm going to try it with one of these tortilla chips. Yeah, this is delicious. Yes. Yeah. Let me get done chewing. Gosh, I hope y'all try this. The only thing that I think this is missing, could be me, it's a little bit of salt. And I am going to sprinkle about that much sea salt on the top. And that's it. So yeah, I hope you will give this a try. Now see, I'm gonna come back in here and I'm gonna fix this. Nobody will know we've been in it, right? Yeah, please make this for your next party, birthday party, holiday, just because party. You're having a family gathering, we're having a birthday, your football, your game day table. Make you a bigger bowl of this, double this recipe, and I bet you it goes quickly. So y'all, think about making this for your next party, and I hope you're gonna come back and visit with me, because I certainly have enjoyed visiting with you. And I hope you've enjoyed this little short video, because I've enjoyed bringing it to you. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell so you know when we put out another video. Thanks everybody. I'll see you soon.